Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how to create and design your PinBoard. PinBoard is the landing page for your customer to know you as the first visit. You can present your brand style, collect customer information, or have links to your social media, media press, or e-commerce. And here you can select to show PinBoard page or not before customer starts to chat with you. And then you can edit the welcome message, like here, I use this. And also, you can edit the chat button text, like here I use talk with me, and it will show here. And also, you can ask your customers to provide their nickname or not. And for the nickname, you also can use this to collect their email or social security number, alphanumeric, or phone number. And then you can upload your logo, and here I upload my personal photos. Then choose theme color of the button here. Then you can also choose the background color or upload an image as background image. And last, you can remove Power by PinChat. Here, remove it. And next, I'm gonna introduce you about the interactive button, and you can also call it as link in bio. You can edit the divider text here, it will show here. And also choose same color and customize this. And then you can edit all the buttons. If you want to create a new one, click add button. You can insert the title of this button and select a type. PinChat provides two kinds of type. One is link, so it will be like an external link, and after user click it, they can visit like your social media, your YouTube, your TikTok. And also you can use it like as a menu. So it will show like a drop-down list like this. And after you finish everything, remember, click save. And then you have your PinBoard. Let PinBoard become the entrance of your business.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.